In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add keyframe in CapCut PC. Using keyframe, you can create smoother effect and animation. First of all, add your video into the timeline. Select the point where you want to add keyframe. Then click on video. At the top right corner here, as you see, video tab. Under video tab, here is basic option. Under basic tab at the top right corner, here as you see, add keyframe icon. Just click on that. First keyframe successfully added. Now to create animation, add another keyframe. I will add another keyframe here. Click on the keyframe icon. Here as you see, another keyframe added. I will zoom in little bit to create a zoom in effect. Now I will play the video to see the difference. Here as you see, I created zoom in effect using keyframe. You can add more keyframe. If you want to zoom out now, you can just decrease the scale value. If you want to rotate your video at this point, here as you see, rotate icon, just you can write here 90 degree, something like this. Here as you see, video is rotate. In this way, you can add keyframe on your video on CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.